So even after my hair transplant, I'm still the guy who's always looking for ways to improve my hair growth on my head as much as I can. I've tried topical routines, I've tried supplements, scalp care, all of that. But one thing that I've wanted to test out properly for a long time is red light therapy helmets. That's why today I'm partnering up with CurrentBody. They kindly sent me their LED hair growth helmet for me to test out properly, and I have been doing so over the past 8 weeks. I'm excited to share those results with you guys. I've definitely seen a lot of progress from it, so stay tuned for the before and afters later on in the video. But before we get into any of that, let's ask ourselves whether these helmets are actually even legit, how they work, and who they're really for. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Ahmed, and if you don't already know, I got not one but 2 hair transplants done from Istanbul, Turkey. When I started this journey, I basically had nothing on my head, and now today I have a full head of hair. And like I said earlier, I'm always trying to find ways to add more things to my routine so that I can at least maximize the results of my hair transplant as much as possible. And LED helmets are usually always recommended, but rarely talked about. So today I'm going to go through all of that with you and hopefully make you understand a little bit more about LED red light therapy helmets, and as well as helping you make an informed decision and helping your hair grow, whether you've done your hair transplant or not. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, or if you just want to know about hair growth and hair transplant tips. Alright, so when people talk about LED hair growth helmets, what they're referring to is low-level light therapy, also known as LLLT. Try saying that 5 times fast. But the idea is the same. Red light at specific wavelengths is used to support the scalp environment where hair grows. Most devices in this category use red wavelengths around 620 to 660 nanometers. And that matters because this type of light can penetrate into the scalp more than regular surface products can. Now, I'm not going to sit here and say that it is a magical cure for hair loss and that it replaces everything else that you're currently using. Hair growth is very complex. The reason why these LED helmets are so interesting is because it aims to support the hair at the cellular level. People use it for things like hair thinning, patterned hair loss, and even a supportive routine post-hair transplant. There are a lot of traditional hair routines that help with your scalp and your hair, but mostly on a surface level, such as oils, shampoos, and even serums. Don't get me wrong, those are great to use, and they provide the scalp with good enough comfort based off of the ingredients in those specific products, and definitely increase hair quality and of course reduce breakage. But the point is that hair growth starts at the follicle level, not on the surface of the hair. So even if a topical product is great and it's working for your scalp, it's still limited in how much it's actually affecting the follicle and its environment, because it's mostly interacting with the scalp surface and the hair shaft. LED helmets are different because they're not trying to coat your scalp. It's using light to penetrate into the scalp, aiming to support the follicles more directly. Again, it's not a miracle, but it's just acting as a different type of mechanism compared to using oils and shampoos and serums. After a hair transplant, your new hairs can actually benefit a lot from using an LED helmet. Especially after you get your hair transplant done, usually the clinic will make you sit in an LED therapy session and it will last for about 10 minutes. But it's giving your new follicles the best environment to thrive because the LED light is touching deep into the cellular level of your scalp, allowing your new hairs to be able to grow at a great pace in the future. Even after you get your hair transplant done and you go back home, there's still an option to get an LED helmet because you can use it in the comfort of your home just for 10 minutes a day. As I mentioned earlier, I am partnering with CurrentBody, so they've been kind enough to send me their LED helmet for me to test out. So I've been using this test for about 8 weeks now. I wanted to make sure I gave myself some time to be able to see if I could see a difference, before I even made this video. And I think the results would surprise you. So it's no secret that after my second hair transplant, my crown is not perfect. The crown is one of the most difficult areas to have hair growth come out of. I've always been struggling a long time to be able to try to make sure I try to cover that up as much as I can. I've been using different types of serums, different types of hair oils. Everything does seem to work little by little, but that's why I thought this is a perfect opportunity to try out the LED helmets from CurrentBody to see if I can enhance that growth even more. What I really like about the style of the device is that it's hands-free, it's designed for full coverage, from the nape of the neck all the way to the forehead, instead of only hitting one specific spot like some other options. I've seen other LED hats out there that only really cover certain areas on your head. It doesn't really cover the full length of everything else, but CurrentBody's LED helmet covers every little area. So you're definitely not missing any little section on your scalp. And the best part is the routine is so simple. Once you place the helmet on your head, press the button to activate the timer. It's only 10 minutes long. Time flies really, really quickly, so you don't even feel like it's on your head, to be honest. What's really neat is also that they have a Bluetooth function and speakers inside of your helmet, so you can listen to music while you are setting the timer off. You can go about your day-to-day activities. You can still do everything you do at home without any issues. and 10 minutes will fly by. For me personally, I like to use it first thing in the morning as soon as I get up. I like to get on my computer and I start working, or I like to have my tea. There's a lot of things I do in the morning, so I just keep it on straight away, and those 10 minutes end really quickly. So I really enjoy using it on my scalp the first thing in the morning. Of course, you can do it in the afternoon or in the evening. That's up to you, your preference. But just note that you can't have your hair too wet before using it, and just make sure it's all dry and there's no products in it and no hair oils and whatnot. Just make sure you're basically putting it on a clean scalp. So let me show you a quick before and after of the 8 weeks that I've used this product for. Now for me, because I already have a lot of hair on my front and middle of my head, I think those areas are fine, but it's still hitting my scalp and I'm making sure that I'm trying to get the most out of it. My more precedent area that I wanted to focus on was my crown. I do see some slight improvements in the areas that I'm really hoping for. As you can see that there is a clear night and day difference of how it looks. The big deal about hair growth is that in the most unsexiest way is consistency. Anything you use, if you just stop one day, you're not going to see results. That's one key thing about using the helmet as well. You just have to make sure you're consistent with it. And again, 10 minutes a day will not disrupt your routine of your entire day. Try to fit it into the right time of day that works for you, and I guarantee you'll see the results you're after. So who is this product really good for? People who are already starting to thin on their scalps, people who are already dealing with hair loss, or people who have just had a hair transplant. The helmet will help you in many different ways as long as you're incorporating it into your own current routine. I know the helmet is not exactly affordable for everybody out there, but if you're able to pick it up, I have a 10% discount as well on this product for you to pick up right now. So at least you're not spending too much on it, but it's actually helping you in the long run. It is a one-time purchase, so it's not like a subscription base where you have to continuously pay. Once you buy it, it's a great investment in the long term. Definitely check out the code for 10% off. It's linked in the description below. Note that results really take about 12 weeks to really see anything substantial. And again, it's not assumed that it will be a miracle cure and you'll have so much of hair. It's more about pushing those new hairs out alongside with your other topicals. So for example, for me, I use Nanoxodil consistently. I take finasteride daily. I use hair oils on my scalp. And now I've added the LED hair growth helmet into my routine. Quite honestly, I'm really happy with the results so far. Like I said, this product isn't a replacement for everything else that you've already been using. Instead, it should be added to your routine in order to promote your hair growth and get the best possible result that you're after. And of course, if you guys are still having trouble finding your right routine on how to help your hair grow, you can always have a conversation with me and we can try to figure out the best strategy for you for your hair growth. I have a one-on-one hair consultation that you can book some time with me. You can have a discussion about your situation and I can help you through your journey of hair loss, whether you've just had a hair transplant or you're just losing hair in general. There's a link in the description below. Book some time with me and we can have that conversation together. If you're already using an LED helmet, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if it's helped you in your routine. Let me know how much of hair growth has it given you. Leave a comment below and let me know. All right, I think that is it for today. I wanted to give a quick shout out to CurrentBody. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Honestly, I'm really happy to be able to use this and put it as part of my routine. Really looking forward to seeing continued results. And hopefully this video has helped somebody out there to maybe incorporate it into their routines as well. As always, drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.